The travel industry is an old and established niche. There are lots of successful travel bloggers who've documented how they made money, how they got traffic, how they monetized their site. So what I would suggest for anyone within the travel space is to look for case studies, look for blogs, look for other travel bloggers sharing their journeys. Learn from them. Don't invent the wheel when the wheel has already been invented. Learn from how they monetize so that you can get to that point much faster. Don't take 5 years learning something that you could learn in a month or two by learning from others. Learn from others first. So look for case studies on YouTube and forums and Google searches. Look for travel blog success stories. Look for travel blog case studies. Look for travel bloggers who share their story of how they grew their website from a certain point to a certain point within a year, and then learn from those people.